Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to import a JSON file directly into Excel using a built-in tool. No third-party software needed. This method works perfectly in Excel using Power Query. Let's get started. So here we are in Excel. First, click on the Data tab at the top, then go to Get Data, hover over from File, and select From JSON. If you don't see this option, make sure Power Query is enabled in your Excel version. Then select your JSON file. Hit Enter, and just like that, Excel will read the JSON file. You might see a record, a list, or a table. Once you see the structured data the way you want it, click Close and Load in the top left corner of the editor. Excel will now load the data into your worksheet nice and clean, and that's it. You have just imported a JSON file into Excel using Power Query. No coding, no extensions, just the tools already inside Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Got questions or need help with a specific step? Drop a comment below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.